In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to click, so you can refresh the look of your designs in seconds. First, open the Figma website in your browser and head into the project you want to work on. Once your file is open, locate the frame whose background you want to change. In Figma, a frame is like your artboard. It's the container that holds your design. To make sure you're selecting the frame itself and not an element inside it, click the frame's title at the top of its boundary. If you see the entire frame outlined and its name highlighted, you're in the right place. With the frame selected, look to the right-hand sidebar. Make sure you're in the Design panel, then find the section labeled Fill. You'll see a small color swatch there. Click that swatch to open the color picker. This is where the magic happens. From the color picker, you can drag inside the square to set the brightness and saturation and use the vertical slider to adjust the hue. If you already have a brand color, you can type its hex code directly into the field. Need something that matches existing artwork? Use the eyedropper in the color picker to sample a color from anywhere on your canvas. There's also an opacity control, so you can make the background partially transparent if you're layering your design. By default, Figma uses a solid fill for frames, which is perfect for a clean background color. If you want something more stylized, you can switch the fill type from solid to options like linear or radial for gradients, or even choose an image. But for a quick background update, solid is all you need. If the color doesn't seem to change, double-check that you've selected the frame itself and not a group or a shape inside it. A quick way to confirm is to look at the layer name in the left panel or at the top of the canvas. It should show the frame's name. Also, if your chosen color looks muted, you might have another layer on top with opacity or effects applied. Try toggling visibility on upper layers to verify. Once you're happy with the color, click back onto the canvas. Figma saves your changes automatically, so there's nothing else you need to do. That's it. Open Figma, open your project, select your frame, click, fill on the right, and pick the color you prefer. Simple, fast, and clean.